Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Levion. So y'all, today I want to just take you around my house and kind of just give you some updates on some of the home decor that I have purchased over the last few weeks. I haven't purchased any like large or like big items as of yet because I'm not really sure on what I want to purchase, and I haven't really seen anything that caught my eye. So I'll just be showing you some things that I did, update the house with so far. So right now I'm starting off with these brown pillow covers. I did find these from IKEA. I thought they were so nice. They feel really good. They're like a linen texture. That would be like the closest thing I can I guess describe it as, but it's so nice. I told y'all that I wanted to add in brown, and I thought that this really worked. I have the pillow inserts stuffed at a 24 and the pillow covers are a size 20-inch. That way the pillow looks really nice and full. I was loving this pillow. I really felt like that it went really well with like the neutral tones, kind of played off of that cozy, really nice, relaxed living room vibe. Y'all, I got my plant that I got from Crate & Barrel along with that planter in the corner over there, looking really nice. And then I have this little side table, just temporary right now. I just wanted to have something that I could place like the remote or maybe a drink of water, because no color drinks are going in the living room. So I just placed it right there on the side. Like I said, I did place this plant in the corner. I think it really looks nice right there and just kind of takes up that empty space over in the corner. You may remember that I had initially the plant right where that empty wall was right there. I want to find a really nice large wall art, of course abstract. I love abstract, but I haven't been able to find anything that caught my eye, so I'll just kind of leave that blank just for now. I don't want to keep adding in or like buying pieces that I really am not in love with, because I feel like it causes me to keep like changing things around and just like, returning them. So I've been trying to like purchase items that I know that I will absolutely love. Over on my console table, like inside, I've definitely like purged like almost everything that was in here originally. Like I kind of went through like this stage where it's like everything is just too much, it just looks too cluttered. So I like took out pretty much like everything that I had in here, just leaving a few pieces in that drawer or in that cabinet, and I think it looked really nice, kind of empty like that. And on top of it, I do have like this candle holder. I found that at home. It was like 25% off, so it was a really decent price. I kind of feel like at home is just too expensive though, but that was nice. I have this vase here that I did purchase from Crate & Barrel, and then this little I guess leaf. I purchased this from Target. Y'all know I really don't decorate for like the fall or like the winter holidays like that, but I kind of wanted to add in some nice cozy stems, and I really thought this looked really nice, kind of added in that fall vibe. This is not new, but y'all already know I have the oversized arch mirror over in this corner right here. Still one of my favorites. I get so many compliments on it and so many questions. It is from Wayfair, and yes, this baby is oversized. Over in this corner here, y'all, I've been wanting to place a bookshelf right here for the longest. Y'all excuse my missing what is this called, a banister or like a rod. We wanted to replace it with like the black wrought iron one, so we haven't put that one back up, so just excuse that right there. But I've been thinking about either a bookshelf or like the the picture frames, and then you can put like a really nice picture lamp above it. I really think that would look really nice, like go with the style and the vibe of like this luxury cozy living room right here. So just thinking about that, not sure about what I want to do, but I think that would look really nice right over there. And then in this corner here, I'm definitely getting rid of those little ottomans, but I want to place an accent chair and like a really nice lamp over in that area. I have not found like a nice accent chair that I want to place in that corner. And then I also took out the rug that I had that it was originally in my room. I did place it back in my room because I want to get like a nice tan area rug that'll go really nice in here. Something a little darker than the carpet. To get one with some prints, not sure. I kind of want like a jute rug with maybe like some nice cream and tan in there. Not sure. Again, I have not found the one that I wanted. The one that I had down here that was originally in my room, it was nice. I really love the browns and like the creams and the gray that I had in there, but I really loved it in my room a little bit better. So I decided to place it back in my room. And y'all, right now, excuse the dog hair. I know you can't really see it through the camera, but if y'all have pets, dogs, cats, you already know the struggle. So moving into my dining room. My dining room is becoming like one of my favorite happy places in my home. So I know y'all probably like, Le'Veon, what's up? Why you only got 3 chairs? Y'all know I absolutely just hate these dining chairs right here. They are just stained up. They just look bad, okay? So the 4th one that I had right here, it was just bad. So I had to get rid of it. I could no longer look at it. So yeah, we got 3 chairs. I guess the 4th person, they can sit at the bar stool or something. I do want to replace that builder grade light fixture that I have in here, but again, that'll come soon. Not sure what I want to get. I did update this plant. I got this plant from Amazon. It's a fiddle leaf tree and I love it. Like, it really looks so nice. Definitely really nice compared to like the really expensive ones that you can find at like Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, those stores. Y'all, Amazon. And I did put it in this planter right here. I think I showed you guys this, and I fixed it up a little bit, made it look real nice. I put in some green moss. I kind of think that I want to add in some brown moss just to make it look a little bit more real, I guess, because I feel like it's just too green. Too greeny, just look artificial in my opinion. So I think I'll do that soon. But yeah, y'all, check this out. Like, yes, Amazon, way cheaper than the other ones, and it looks so nice. Y'all, I gotten into the habit of like purchasing myself flowers like every week or every other week, all depending on when they die. And I got myself this hydrangea bunch. They are so nice. I'm really not a fan of hydrangeas, but I thought this was so cute with the blues and the purple. Just added in some color, and y'all, your girl cut her nails, got a nice little different style, wanted something different. I couldn't take the long nails anymore, so I decided to go with a different look. I know y'all can't tell, but look at the stains in this chair. Like, I have some chairs in my cart. They are from World Market. Not sure if I want to get them yet, but definitely debating on it. And these little sideboards have been my absolute favorite. Purchased them from Target. They are 2, just added them together as one long credenza. I purchased these candlesticks. I had these for a long time. They're from Amazon. They're pink too, y'all, so y'all know I had them for a long time. This is for when I had them in my office, and I just had them in these candle holders, which I also purchased from at home. I got my Joshua vase over here. This baby literally looks good anywhere you place it. And then I just placed my weeping eucalyptus branch right in here. Got some coffee table books on the side. Y'all, my poor bohemian book it actually arrived damaged, but they sent the money, so y'all, it was all good. Love this book. Definitely pick it up if you have not gotten a chance to. And then I have like this little cute bowl over on the side of it. And yeah, this is my dining room so far. I want to show y'all what I have inside. I kind of placed it like a little bar area. Got like my cups. I'm the type of girl who will not drink out of just a regular glass. So if I'm drinking my margaritas, I gotta have my margarita glass. Cognacs, I gotta have my cognac glasses, my wine glasses, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm that girl. And on the other side, I just have like some overflow of plates, which I actually think I'm just going to place my wine glasses in. I've also been getting so many compliments on these sideboards, and a lot of y'all have been actually purchasing them. Yes, let me know if you have, and let me know what you think about it. Like, these babies are so nice. I am so happy with this purchase, and again, they were super affordable, very sturdy, and just really nice. Last update that I want to share with you all is this wooden tray. I've been having my eyes on this thing for so long. I finally went along and bought it. It was priced at $30. I ain't asked no questions. I didn't know if it was on sale or not. It said $30 and your girl purchased it. So I just styled it really simple with these beads, some coffee table books. I had to put a cookbook in here, and one of Target's newer candles in the scent Salt. Y'all, this smells really good. Don't smell like salt, but it smells good. And then I have this black distressed vase that I did purchase from Hobby Lobby, and I have some olive branches inside of it, and I'm showing you guys the cup that I have it in just to allow the branches to look a little bit more put together. My little trick, and I think a lot of people have been doing this anyway, just placing a cup inside of it just to give it a real or nice put together look. Starting with trays on your kitchen island is a quick and easy way to keep everything organized and all together. You can try like experimenting with different looks, different textures, different, decor pieces. I decided on this really simple look right here, just with some coasters, candle, coffee table books, and some beads. Of course, do as you please, but yeah, I kind of like this look right here. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.